middle of March. It's sunny, but we got a huge snowfall yesterday. Let's make a use of this beautiful weather and let's try to get some interesting images. FUJIFILM X10. For a bright sunny day like that, you can start your settings with ISO 100 in aperture priority and set aperture for 5.6. That should be good enough for most of your shots. The nature say it's spring, but the weather say it's still winter. Unfortunately in Norway the winter lasts a little bit longer than in other countries, so I'm always jealous that they already have spring or summer and we are still in this little bit colder weather. But I also try to say, like, you cannot choose the weather, but you can choose what you're gonna do today. So anyway, let's try to get some interesting images. Around 9 minutes for my metro, so maybe we can get a picture or two. Sunny, Sunday, feels like the city center gonna be buzzing today. That's a nice spot to try to get some image. We are at Gronland in Oslo. Usually this area is very colorful, but it's Sunday, so no business is happening over here. So it's totally different than the rest of the week. Let's try to find some images. Not so much luck, this place is pretty much abandoned. It's quite early in the morning. Maybe we can get something over here. Let's just wait for the people. That technique is called patience or fishing. You find a spot where you want to photograph, and you basically wait for the action to happen, and then you take a shot like this one. Only me and my camera, birds and creepy clowns. Alright, let's change the spot. I love this activity. It's like a hunt, but it's also like a meditation as well. You just stroll around the city with your camera and try to find some interesting spots, some interesting situations. And all you need is just a little camera with you and some peace and quiet. I think my next stop, I'm gonna go to the Acrobat Bridge over the rail tracks and try to get something over there. Sometimes in this area people don't like their photographs to be taken. Maybe we got something interesting, who knows? We can warm up on the bus station for a moment. You can get a few pictures here as well, just be careful. I really enjoy the impossible shots, like you see something, you grab your camera, you start it, you press the shutter button and you're like, did you get it, did you not? And then you look at it and it's there, or some part of it that you didn't even expect. Actually, it's a sunny and colorful day, but I feel more like black and white today. Maybe it's because I did not see sun for a while, but the light today is doing something magical. So this is the Acrobat Bridge, a very photogenic place. When the sun is out, you can spend the whole day on this bridge. Alright, I think I scared everyone with my camera already. Time to move on. Time for coffee and to charge my batteries a little bit, if we want to have this vlog all the way to the end. Near to the waterfront is the Opera House in Oslo. You you can get a lot of interesting images over here. Let's see if I can get one. It's super slippery, so I'm not gonna go to the top, but we can teleport over there. I always take like 1,000 pictures over here, that the ones that I probably never gonna post anywhere, but I just cannot help myself. But this time I can share a few with you. You have here a lot of different angles, you can play with the perspective, you can play with the shadows and some silhouettes. There's a lot of ideas that you can implement in this place. And by the way, it's beautiful over here. The top of the roof with the beautiful view at the fjord, the Monk Museum and the part of the city in general. It's a fantastic spot for some street photography or some landscape photography. You can spend here more than a few hours trying to get all these different shapes, all these different situations. I hope I get a few interesting shots today. It's so good to see that city is coming back to life. We had a snowfall yesterday, but I think like spring is just around the corner. Thank you for today. You did a great job again. And slippery. We made it safe to the bottom. The teleportation works only one way, up. Really enjoyed that day. Hopefully next time we see each other in the springtime or summer. And I guess that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. In the meantime, you can watch some videos, maybe over here or over here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And as always, see you in the next one.